Well, you know what? The summer, the spring, the winter, it's been absolutely shocking. The forecast is a south, turning southeasterly 2 to 3 mile an hour. I haven't seen that for a long time. We're gonna just anchor up off the edge of the reef. The clarity of water is, you know, for August, it is Bristol Channel water. Murky, nothing clear about it. You can see the, you know, the weather we've had. Clarity is absolutely poor, but we're fishing anyway. Just have a crack on, see if we can get the hounds, a couple of rays. All our rocky marks over there, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a cover, and I'm going to try taking some lures through it on the last bit of the flood. But it's just nice to be out, just nice to be out. And we're out on the tow bins, 6 horsepower, and yeah, I'll report back now with when we're at the mark, when we're anchoring up. I don't know whether you could hear that, the difference of it planing out, how long it took to plane out and get a speed, but 13.6 mile an hour we got in on a little 6 horsepower 3.3, got some gear on ya. 13 mile an hour, I'll take that. What we're looking for, one of the marks I used to fish on the kayak, we'd be in line with the edge of the forestry, and then the pier, you won't be able to see it, but the pier down there and Ogmore, tip of Witcher's Point. Not deep, probably close to 30 foot tops. Yeah. We'll go this one. That's 50 foot of rope out there, so that should be more than enough. Let me just loop him off here. We'll wait for the tide to pick us up. I don't know. See ya. And then just chuck him on. So simple squid bait on a pulley, on a running ledger panel. Got 3/0 cocks and roll. 3/0 cocks and roll rig. I do like to use a long up length. So 6 foot, 5-6 foot in hook length. And, taking all my small grippers out, and I usually use 3 to 4 ounce grippers around here. But yeah, so let's get him out. Got to set the drag because this is an hound hot spot. Can't get my words out today. It must be the excitement of being afloat. Second rod now, guys. Second rod out. Ragworm. Just gonna give him a little flick there. Rods I'm using today are got the leader icon, 12 to 20, 8 foot. Cracking rods. I always use leader anyway. If you know, all my rods are leader. And the Pen Fathom 15 LD. They were on sale. I think it was about this time last year. 100 odd pound, 120 quid. A reel reduced. Couldn't even make. So I had to get a pair. Cracking reels. And now we just wait. Right, 3 rods in the water. I didn't go with a double sand eel on our one, on the spinning rod for now. I've just gone with a really light setup with a really live ragworm on a 2-ounce weight. And just let him run free on the bottom. Oh, that sounds like an hound run on the squid. Give him a bit more. Probably pick up and run. Hope you'll come back. It is a beautiful day. I gotta be honest. It is an absolute beauty of a day. You can actually see the English side of the Bristol Channel. And it is lovely because the cliffs, I need to get over there. Once my new boat arrives, hopefully we can get an October trip and cross the channel from either Porthcawl or Barry and have a little go. Let's have a look what's going on here. But yeah, my new boat is due mid-September. Very excited. Very excited. Was that me knocking that in or did I? Yeah, this is a fish. Ooh, starry smooth out. Lovely, but we're in a tangle, so I hope he don't go mad. Yeah, no. Really. And that's on wrangling. Is this too shit? Really, don't take off. Because we're in shit town if he does. Yeah. Yep. Right. What I'm gonna do, taking up that drag. But here we are. Oh. Another fish on these. Me a pup, but oh, he's strong. He's strong. Not bad. First cast. Me a pup, couple of pound. Lovely starry. Oh, have I got a starry? I don't think I have. So lovely. Anyway, where were we? That one's still got a fish on. Should have kept my sleeves down. Yeah, see, he's still on there. Probably another hound. Won't mind the common now. Common smooth hound. Bite. Oh, conger. Conger eel. Oh, so that's 2 species to the list today now. I don't think I had a conger. So far, absolutely banging. We've had starry, need it for the species. Conger, need that for the species. What I want now is a small eye ray, blonde ray, spotted ray, bullous. I'll even take a baby taupe as well. So, fingers crossed. Oh, we'll have a common smoothhound as well. And a bass. A bass for the other competition, that is. But yeah, ooh, don't I just love that. So now I'm putting a double sand deal on. I'm hoping the dogs don't get it. I'm hoping the rays. I'm hoping for a spotted or a small eye. Be fun because I'm putting it on a spinning rod. But, I'm going to put it more towards the shore, cast it over to the sand. Hopefully avoid. I think this is worm. This is worm. We got another boat that just turned up. This is first time out. He's bought a Tobin Sports. He's behind us. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Lovely, isn't it? I miss this. I do miss this. With a bit of luck, this is right. Our drag is on full almost. And he's taking line. See if I can give you a bit more of an angle. These 12 to 20 class icon rods, just lovely tip action on them. Look, absolutely beautiful. This is an hound. Could be a tidy conger, mind. Could be a bass. I'm going to say, whatever it is, it's bloody lively. Oh, is that a common? And he's a common. Lovely common hound. Lovely. I say common, he's very, this is starry, he's very faint, but lovely. So first time out, yeah?
Yeah. I'm trying to get used to it all, like I got everything with me, like at the fish finder, I'm got set up. I was a bit panicky, because the engine was shit up, like, but
Yeah, it's alright. Do you know what I mean?
things I gotta get used to, you know.
You alright with anchoring, or?
Yeah, I used to anchor on a kayak, yeah, I should be alright.
Yeah.
Like.
Transformed to the Sibs, bought the little Tobins, got a 6-horse Tuatsu off Main Supplies UK. I mean, brand new 7-year warranty, bargain price. Yeah, not bad so far. 2 ounce conger. Hopefully now I'm gonna put some mackerel on, yeah, and never know, might get a ray. Don't really get thornbacks down here, see, so you're only gonna get, chances are, on on a small eye or this year South Wales Sib Anglers are doing the cod comp again, so keep an eye out for in September. Now we will list the price list up. Prize list, and all the details out to enter on that. And we got Boat World have put some awesome products in. Maelstrom have put a belter of a product in. Navionics doing the app. Green's Fish and Tackle, another £50 voucher. There is Pet Supplies and Anglings near me. They've put £25 shop voucher in as well. Also, as you know, it's an 100% payout. So we probably go top two or three as a cash payout, with maybe make the first prize a bit more lucrative. Is that a word? And yeah, but we had a good turnout last year. I'm not too sure if we'll get the same this year because a lot of people didn't get the fish. But yeah, just like to say a big thank you to all sponsors that and companies that continue to support the cod competition. This seems to be the go-to. Well, I think everybody's excited. I've had a few messages. When's it starting? When can we enter? So yeah, it's just hope the interest is as good, or if not, as better than last year. And what we'll probably do, we'll run it the Bristol Channel. You don't need to be from South Wales to enter, but obviously the limitations of the fishing ground will be the Bristol Channel. So you'll probably go from like the first seven crossing to St David's Head, down to probably Ilfracombe, something like that. So if you are from Bristol and you wanna, or Bristol or anyway, and your venue to get the Bristol Channel, you can enter. Yes, whatever it was, smash them sand eel. I got a feeling it was a bass or ray. So we'll get that back down. That's funny, innit? You know, they shouldn't be allowed to take them that size. They're called medium, mind. They're medium sand eel. That's a sign of overfishing, like. That's a medium sand eel. Before, they would be called extra small. A launce now is what you would call a large sand eel back in the day. It's wrong. It's wrong. We need to. I think something needs to be done because that's a medium sand eel. Let's have a banging knock then. I thought the camera was on. I got bitten off. Must have been a conger. So at the moment, I've just rigged up. I got a squid mackerel wrap. You can see there. And I'm hoping for some rays. Rays. I'm kind of on a mission now because I want to try and push up the board on this species hunt. And I think the small-eyed and the spotted is probably my only chance, really, to get them. It's down yet today. Blondes will be fine when we start going up North Cardiff. But the bullets and the spotted and the small eye, I'm hoping to pick some up today. It's gone quiet at the moment. I put Sandy on here. It was smashing, whatever it was smashing it, and I was missing it. I've only got small hooks. One hose on here. It could be rays, because there's only a light setup. I'm missing it. Do you know what I mean? It's pulling out. So hopefully, so the fishing have gone dead. I've just found out why. A seal. Don't put my feet in because he might be hungry. Poked his head up over there, and there he is. You can see his head down there. Look at him. All the way there. Come on, show us your face. Get a look, you. You hear him breathing. Yeah, fishing have gone pretty slow. I see a lot of people as well. They complaining how, well, not complaining, asking how you land an hound or taupe next to the boat. Grab the petrol fin on the front and then grab his tail straight away. This is a strange feeling, this. He's going to go mad now. He's coming to the top of the water. It's going to be an hound. What is this? He's an hound. Grab his petrol fin and oh, another comment. Like that. Easy done, look. Easy done. And then just beautiful. Beautiful. They are great fun. Stink though, full of ammonia. But pound for pound, the best fighting fish that we have. Can I bite then? Yes, if I touch it. Oh, that weather's absolutely, it's long overdue, this. It's probably the first time I've come down here without crab, and I usually use hardback crabs to avoid the onslaught of dogfish. I'm not speaking too soon, but as you've seen,
Cocktail, Falmouth Coast Guard, loud clear, channel 16. Falmouth.
Something happening on the worm again, guys, on the worm. It looks like the squid is going. Oh, come on. Oh, it'd be nice if this was a. These sound small. It'd be nice if this was a new species to my collection. This small. Wow, whiting. So whiting, do I have that? Do I need that for my species? I do. I do. Lovely. No, that's not a whiting. That is not a whiting. Huh? Colin. And it was on the reef, so I'm going back on the reef. Colin's the species guru. He knows everything. Excuse my language, he knows every fish. Every fish.
If it was level, I'd say you'd have a record fucking 4 cards, but it's
Pout. I will enter it and see what happens. But that just went. Slowly went over. Typical rebite. I'm hoping it is. We're coming to another hour and a half before top of the tide. Yeah, something. I hope it ain't a dog. I probably jinxed myself seeing it's not a dog. They need an Uber. You know, all the technology we got in the world now, right? You know, like Uber. You can order a McDonald's to you and have it within 10 minutes. Like, I'm sure there's a market there for someone to do a delivery of drinks and ice cream via Uber on the water, isn't it? You know what I mean? Gotta be. I think that's what the country needs. An Uber delivery on the water. There's definitely a fish on that. Hang on, yeah. Look at it. Both of them going now. That's squid. That's mackerel squid wrap. Go on. I'm gonna hazard a guess that there is a dog. Could be wrong. Could be a baby taupe or a small bullace. Or spotted ray. Have a look at this, shall we? Oh yeah, it's a fish. I don't think it's a dogfish. Sorry guys, I think my battery or something just went flat on. The battery went flat, well, because the sun's on it, it overheated on my other camera, but this is a good fish. Take my drag up a little. This is on squid, mackerel, wrap. I'm hoping it's a ray. I'm hoping it's not. I don't think it's a dogfish. It took some down off the bottom, which gives me the impression it is a ray. What are we saying? I'd be very surprised if there's an hound on mackerel. Ooh. What's this? Big conger. Oh. Oh no. I just love him. It's a good fish. He is a good fish. And that's taking some good line there. Here's our T-bar. Lovely conger. Yeah, nice big one. I say big. Oh, he's taking some line. Yeah, on him. Not bad. Not bad at all. He's about 10 pounds. Maybe a bit more. Don't go next to my tubes. Oh, he's in line wrap. Oh. I'll do it. I'll do it. Snap them off. Save me. These are big, how many? Lovely, lovely jubbly. And that is on squid mackerel. If there's troubles, you can come back and have that. But we'll go again with that now. I'm going to say an ounce, but it could be anything. He's shaking his head a lot. Anyone questioning these reels or thinking about them, the Icon Spin 40 come with braid, cracking reels. Oh, Starry, lovely one as well, beautiful, beautiful. He's in, look at that, can you see that? He's in the side of the boat, look. So what we'll have to do now, so we don't rip him. So he's the culprit. You little bugger. You little bugger. And guess what, I haven't got a puncher out kit with me today. So, yep. That just cost me an early start. See ya? Straight in. That's what I don't like. Sugar. I usually got a puncher repair kit with me, and I haven't today, which typical. Absolutely typical. No need to worry about. These boats will and are designed to go in on 2 tubes, you know. Colin went in on a completely flat on wave. Good thing is for me, I've left that in there, so realistically speaking, I'm probably not losing. Oh yeah, he is losing a bit of pressure, like, but no need to panic. I normally carry my puncher kit with me. Don't go nowhere without them. To be honest, I'm gonna have 5 because it's still solid. Do you know what I mean? Well, I'll have 5. Ain't no rush. It, you know, it ain't gonna go. It ain't gonna go completely flat yet. Yeah, that's getting enough, guys. That is getting enough. No rush. So that pressure's still there. What's a fish? There's a fish on here. You know it. There's going to be another angle puncher the other side. Now you watch. Be a dog. You just drop it. No. Another eel. Funny really, because a couple of moments ago I was saying people was asking how to land an active smooth out next to the boat. That's how you don't do it. That's how you don't do it. Normally I'd have had some on targeting rounds and only one. Yeah, normally I would have had one circle, like an arrow would have been in his chops, like not swinging around. But it happens, do you know what I mean? It's no big deal. I'm not bothered about it. Just means we got a puncher to repair before we go off switch. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'll do it there. Because there's no bolt roller on there. Don't like to run the rope over the front. If anything, I'd run it over the handle there. Just so we don't burn it all. But that is a good tip. If you haven't got a roller, pull him free, pull him up a bit, and then use your handles instead of using the front of your dog. That is my big plan here. No matter how we, when things are free, they're the best, and they, as we've seen of late on various YouTube. So this is the best cleaning product ever. Because it's free. Why wouldn't it be? Why wouldn't it be the best? Now, at least till I get home and fix the puncher anyway. So now we gotta go and have an ice cream. We gotta get that up out. See him doubling lovely. And so, thanks for watching, guys. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. And that's Newton Point. That's Newton Beach. And that's Porthcawl. Ciao for now.